when I'm doing systems for people in CRMs, I'm like a general contractor coming in, and I have all these tools that I can have. Okay, but the tools, yeah, help me build the thing, but it's the strategy, setting up the pipeline, setting up the workflow, setting up automation, knowing what to connect here and there, all that stuff. That's why you're hiring someone like me, because I have the experience to do all that stuff. The tool is just a tool. I just
Yeah.
to say to you, look, you need a tool like this so we can do all this stuff. But like I
Hmm.
said, if tomorrow, 2 years from now, there's a better CRM than the one I suggested to them, we will just use that, but we keep all the logic that's coming into that and all the strategy and all these data points. We keep that going, and that's most important thing is that's if the tool is one thing, but the tool can't be the end all. It's the process of doing everything. It's the strategy of connecting everything. It's making sure that all your systems somehow have some kind of interconnection with it so that you as the business owner can see everything from a glance and know what's going on. And then any staff that you have underneath and all that stuff who is using these CRMs, whatever, they know exactly what's going on. And usually what happens when we start doing it and we give it to the staff to use, the staff says, can you add this? Can you add this? Hey, you know what? I'd love you if you add this.